Hey YouTube, it's your boy Hacker007. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to send a blank message on Messenger. So let's find Messenger. What you need to do is to launch into Messenger, and you have your contacts, your chats, and whoever. So first things first, let's go to Google Chrome, and you'd need to search for invisible character copy paste or invisible character Unicode, anything of that sort, and you'll have quite a lot of websites. Now this is one I recommend, emptycharacter.com. Let's load this website and scroll down until you see the option that says copy to clipboard. So let's select copy to clipboard. Let's go back home and let's select Messenger. Now once you have this contact here, you need to tap on the contact and select the chat option and paste from clipboard, and oops, I selected the search. Let's click on send. Now it sent a blank message. As you can see here beside the name, there isn't any messages being displayed, so the person who you sent this to will only see a blank chat box. So that is how you go about sending blank message on Messenger. So I hope this was useful to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hacker007 out.